Hi there, today we're unboxing the Ninja Creami Deluxe NC500 series, model NC501-30. Woohoo, fancy. All right, we're gonna open it up and unbox it. Because it comes in a box Woohoo, this is the Ninja Creami Deluxe XL family size. So I'm opening the box and it comes with the instructions, a quick start guide, comes with a quick start guide that you can scan and download, a little recipe book, which is pretty cool, and some safety notifications. And then let me dump out this box again. All right, I have low cabinets. This won't fit under my cabinet. Okay, so here is the Ninja Creami Deluxe. And this came in the box as well as an extra container and an extra lid. So those were the only things that came in the box, and that's what we have.